Our homes should be our sanctuaries, places where we can retreat from the chaos of the outside world and find solace. Places of peace and joy, where we can create lasting memories with our loved ones. However, clutter and dirt can steal that peace, making our homes feel more like a burden than a refuge. A clean home leads to a clear mind, allowing us to think more freely and feel more at ease. Imagine walking into a tidy home after a long day. The surfaces are clear, the air smells fresh, and everything is in its place. This sense of calmness extends beyond your home, influencing your overall well-being and mental state. Establishing a regular cleaning routine saves time and reduces stress. No more last-minute scrambling to tidy up. With a plan in place, you'll know exactly what to clean and when, making the process more manageable. This creates a sense of control over your environment, empowering you to maintain a harmonious space. A clean home is essential for a calm and happy life, providing a foundation for joy and tranquility. Before we start, please give us a thumbs up, subscribe to The Big Sweep, and ring that bell so you never miss a new episode. And click the link below to check out our free community, Made for Women, and get your free copy of our cleaning checklist today. There is no one-size-fits-all cleaning routine. Your schedule should fit your life and needs. Start by listing all your cleaning tasks. Consider each room. Think about what needs to be done daily, weekly, and monthly. Be realistic about your time. It's better to have a simple plan you can stick to. You can always add tasks later. Once you have your list, create a schedule. You can use a planner, a whiteboard, or a phone app. Visualizing your routine helps you stay on track. Daily cleaning habits prevent dirt buildup. This makes weekly and monthly cleaning much easier. Make your bed every morning. This instantly makes your bedroom look neater. Wipe down surfaces in the kitchen and bathroom after use. A quick spray and wipe go a long way. Deal with clutter immediately. Put away items after use. A few minutes each day prevents clutter from accumulating. Weekly and monthly wins, conquering the deeper clean. This section is all about tackling those bigger, more time-consuming tasks that keep your home in top shape. Weekly tasks tackle bigger areas. Vacuum or mop floors to keep them looking fresh and clean. These tasks help maintain a clean environment and prevent dirt from building up. Clean bathrooms and kitchens thoroughly. Dust furniture and shelves to keep your living spaces free from allergens and grime. A clean kitchen and bathroom are essential for a healthy home. Monthly tasks are for deeper cleaning. Wash curtains or blinds to remove dust and allergens. Clean out the refrigerator to ensure it stays hygienic and organized. Wipe down walls and baseboards to remove any accumulated dust and dirt. Break down these tasks into manageable chunks to avoid feeling overwhelmed. You don't have to do everything on the same day. Plan your cleaning schedule to fit your lifestyle and availability. Spread them out throughout the week or month. This way, you can maintain a clean home without dedicating an entire day to cleaning. For example, clean the bathroom sink and toilet one day, the shower another day. Breaking tasks into smaller steps makes them more manageable. This makes cleaning less overwhelming and more satisfying. You'll feel accomplished and your home will stay consistently clean. Reaping the rewards of routine. Creating a routine for maintaining a clean home can transform your living space into a sanctuary. A clean home reduces stress and anxiety. When your surroundings are tidy, your mind feels less cluttered, allowing you to breathe easier and think more clearly. It provides a sense of calm and order. An organized space can help you feel more in control of your life, making daily tasks seem less overwhelming. This allows you to relax and focus on what matters. Whether it's spending time with loved ones or concentrating on work, a clean environment supports your priorities. Cleaning can even be therapeutic. The act of cleaning can be a form of self-care, providing a sense of accomplishment and satisfaction. Focusing on a physical task can quiet your mind. Engaging in repetitive cleaning tasks can be meditative, helping to clear your thoughts and reduce mental clutter. It's a form of mindfulness. Being present in the moment while cleaning can enhance your overall well-being and mindfulness practice. A clean home also promotes better sleep. A tidy bedroom creates a restful atmosphere, making it easier to unwind and fall asleep. You'll sleep more soundly in a clean and organized bedroom. Waking up in a clutter-free space can set a positive tone for the day ahead. Start small and gradually build your cleaning routine. Begin with one area and expand as you become more comfortable, making the process manageable and sustainable. Enjoy the peace and calm that comes with a clean and tidy home. Embrace the rewards of a well-maintained space and the positive impact it has on your life. Before you go, don't forget to give us a thumbs up, subscribe to The Big Sweep, and ring that bell so you never miss a new episode. Leave us a comment below telling us about your own cleaning routine. And click the link below to check out our free community, Made for Women, and get your free copy of our cleaning checklist today. Thanks for joining us today, and we'll see you in the next video.